it's Michael here with Home Health Success Academy and 10xpatientreferrals.com, and what we want to be able to share with you guys in this video is to talk about social media. And we get a lot of questions, but people ask like, hey, does social media help us be able to get more patients and more referrals for our company? It's a great question. So the way to answer that for you guys is to be able to share with you guys all the different type of social media companies out there that you guys can actually use that will be beneficial for your company in order to be able to brand your company, market your company, and get more referrals. But at the very same time, I want to be able to share with you guys what two social media giants are out there that is being used by a lot of people, but unfortunately right now is not going to be helpful for your company. So let's first start with a couple social media companies out there that does not really have any growth at this moment in regards to marketing for your company and your services. And the two of them is called Snapchat and as well as Instagram. Okay, not to say that you should not put your information in Instagram at this very moment, like you not be posting there. You should also post in Instagram as well, but it right now is not really generating a lot of referrals. Snapchat is another one, and there's actually a new social media platform that's growing really fast right now, but unfortunately it's still not in the demographics of what we need, which is TikTok. At the very same time, is you should start sampling yourself and trying these as well, but it's not really where you should put your time and effort in. The reason for that is it's always just looking at the numbers and the demographics, the age of the people that are in this current platform at this very moment. So Instagram, no. Snapchat, no, and TikTok is definitely not a no at this moment. Now, moving forward is what really has been working are these following social media sites that I want to be able to share with you guys, right? Number one, I want to be able to share with you guys is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is, of course, a social media platform. It looks as a social media platform, but it's also a content facility as well, right? So in LinkedIn, it's more of a business-minded approach. Now, mind you guys, depending on which one of these platforms you're using, you want to be able to approach it for the way it is. You don't want to be posting something in LinkedIn and expect to post the same exact thing in your Facebook page. Things appear differently, and you must be able to know the rhythm on how it kind of works. So like I said, for LinkedIn, it's really great to be able to find referral sources in here. The reason for that is, let's say for example, I'm targeting a hospital and I go after a hospital. I can literally look up the hospitals. Then under that hospitals, I can then click into the employees of that hospital. I can then browse through those employees and look for the people that we're targeting. So like in the hospitals, we're looking for the social workers, the discharge planners. You can find who has that position if they actually have a LinkedIn account and if they're currently employed by that organization, right? So that's a really great thing. And then you can actually reach out to them. The other thing that you guys can do in regards for your LinkedIn platform is to make sure that you're posting things as well on your particular site by posting informative information that's going to get people's attention as well. So that's one thing you need to be able to do. Now in LinkedIn, it's a free platform, almost just like any other platforms out there, but there are paid memberships as well that you can do. There are a lot of benefits to having a paid membership, like you can direct message a lot of people directly instantly when you're doing these things. We're going to be coming up with more strategies on how to use LinkedIn. Like we'll really just apply and show you guys how to do the marketing strategies in there. But I want to be able to share that there are information that you can get in YouTube and how to be able to use LinkedIn. So, but of course it's not based on home care, but these are typical ideas that you guys can do. A real good site that we love the most for our company is called Facebook, right? If you don't have any Facebook right now, you should definitely have that, but more likely you probably have a personal Facebook page. Now, when we talked about Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok earlier, we talked about demographics and age. At one certain point, you didn't want to join Facebook, and the reason why you didn't want to join Facebook was because you said, my kids are the only ones there. Young people are there, old people are not there yet, so I don't want to join yet. Well, eventually, they will age, right? Because when Facebook came up a decade ago or so, guess what? It's for the young people. And so as people get older, they're in there. And so the demographics that we want to be able to hit can be in Facebook. Another reason why is this: the grandparents, the parents will always follow where their kids are going, right? So Facebook became a platform you can share information, share photos. So grandparents always in there trying to see their grandkids, the pictures, their photos. So it's a great place to be able to approach. And in Facebook, there is a platform, the Ads Manager, where you can start doing targeting ads. And so we really love Facebook so much. Why? Is we can spend an average of about $1,000, and within $1,000 of ad spend in Facebook in 1 month, attack, we can potentially get about 3 to 4 home care, non-medical private duty clients pretty fast, okay? So the way we handle that is we actually create an ad. And most people, when they create an ad, what they do is, let me advertise and sell my company right away. Tell them about my services, tell them about my products. And once again, we approach Facebook just how we actually approach when we market into the field, where we don't push our products. We want to first find out what their needs and wants are, what are problems that they're facing, so that we can solve it first. So we'll do something like, we'll reach out and make a post of saying 5 steps to keep your mother away from the hospital, right? And so when somebody clicks into that, into that advertising, because they do want to keep their mom or their grandma away from the hospital, then we're going to educate them. These are the 5 steps, but including in that 5 steps is a little bit about our company and how we can help them. So the one goal is for them to click into that advertising, get their attention, but at the very same time is we can capture their information and say, hey, if you want this information, just put your email, put your phone number, and go forward. When they go into what they call a funnel, okay? And it's pretty much a basic website that we create. We typically use Mailing Boss, and we use the Referrals system. We actually used to use ClickFunnels as well. But anyways, what happens is it goes into this website funnel, right? Because they're interested. So for them to be able to view the video or the PDF, the ebook that we created, they can have to enter their email, and as well as their number and their name as well. When they do that, they're going to be able to view the video, the training that we said we're going to give them, or the ebook that we actually created, okay? Now there's 2 things that actually happens, and that is the fact that in that website, we're able to put what they call a Facebook pixel, so that it recognizes the fact that they went to that website. What ends up happening is it activates that pixel, so then when they go to their Facebook next time, in a day or so or 2 days, you're gonna get hit by a secondary video coming from us. It's gonna say, hey, we know that you actually watched our video regarding how to keep your mom or your loved one away from the hospital. Since you like that, maybe you might like this. What's happening here is a follow-up system that we're doing, right? Just imagine that we're creating a follow-up system that's going to be able to help us. Just how when we're marketing out in the field, it's not just the presentation that gets you the referrals, it's you following up and creating a relationship, okay? So that's how that goes. And what's amazing about that is because we captured their email, we can then set up an email campaign that will deliver an email to them once a week, right? That's our main goal, is to be able to deliver an email system to them once a week, okay? And that right there is such an amazing thing that we can do. And at the very same time is, we've done it where we created a campaign that, hey, would you like to have a medication reminder for your mom for a whole week? Meaning we're going to remind them to call their to take their medications every day for the next week. And a lot of people will end up doing that with us, which is an amazing thing, right? So we're seriously going to set it up that way, and just to get their attention. Another thing we do in Facebook marketing is we'll put a coupon out there saying that, hey, get a 8-hour free home care service for your mom. To be able to take advantage of this voucher, please click right here, put your information right there, and set up a call with us so we can get it started with. So we want to be able to give those free trials sometimes. Sometimes by giving a free trial allows people to want to use our services, right? It's guilting them in to use our services. But of course, when we give those free, weekend service, they must sign up for at least a minimum of 1 month to take advantage of that. So they're only paying for, so we're going to kind of sometimes break even in the first month, but at the very same time we're still making money, right? Because we got the client on board. That's the main goal right there when you're using a lot of these different things. So Facebook can be used for that when you're targeting your ads manager. Of course, when you're going to do some ads, management, you must have a Facebook business page, right? So if you're a home care company, a home health agency, or hospice, and you don't have a Facebook business page at this very moment, then you need to start thinking about creating one of those. If you need help with creating a Facebook business page, let us know, because that's something that we can definitely work and help you guys out with. But when you have a Facebook business page, you must be able to post multiple different things. You want to keep it updated. You want to make it seem like it's actually working. And so we actually work with a lot of agencies that we manage their Facebook page, where we handle the posts, where we will be posting something on a five times a week, right? 5 times a week, we're going to post something relevant in their Facebook page. So it's always going to have some content. So when people come by and visit, they're getting educated. They're seeing something interesting in these sites, right? So if you want us to, for example, to handle your Facebook business page and make sure we're posting something to you guys every
This video is brought to you by MedicationReminderProgram.com. Are you trying to look for that one edge up to be able to get you more referrals or to get new referral sources? Well, that's MedicationReminderProgram.com. If you start offering this for your patients and future patients, you're going to be able to show future referral sources that you're doing something different, that you're providing better services than your competition. The Daily Reminder program goes like this. We will call the patients for you twice a day and remind them to take their medications at 9 o'clock in the morning and at 5 p.m. A top reason for hospitalization of seniors is not taking their medications. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be giving them comfort of mind, both family and referral sources. So sign up to MedicationReminderProgram.com right now. There's 3 packages available, but at the very same time, right now, with code 50 off, you can actually get 50% off our Gold plan and the Platinum plan. So just stop by MedicationReminderProgram.com and let us help you get more referrals. Let's go back to the video you're currently watching.
Something to you guys every day, well, actually 5 days out of the week, okay? We can increase that, it's up to you, but typically we do 5 posts a week. We'll do that for a whole year, and we're only charging $1,500 for that, right? Where we handle all your posts for the next year and take care of it and take it out of your hands, because we'll do it for you guys. So that's one of our services that we can actually do with Home Health Success Academy. Now, you have every right to go in and create the posts that you guys want, create the little memes, create whatever the educational stuff to post, the photos. That's something that you can do yourself, but how much time do you actually have? So instead of that, we can do it for you guys. It's a choice that you guys can have, because we do all the designs and every design that we do, we put your logo and your contact information in there as well, all right? So that's one choice that you guys can do. So Facebook, LinkedIn, no to IG or Instagram, no to Snapchat, no to TikTok at this very moment. Now, moving on to YouTube. You know, the fact that you're watching this video, more likely that you got in touch with us by looking at our YouTube channel. So we do the very same exact thing in our marketing. What we do is this. We create a YouTube page, and actually we have multiple YouTube pages for all of our home care companies and home health agencies. And we just put out a lot of educational based marketing materials in there. Just as you're watching this video, this is an educational based marketing material to help you understand about marketing as well. So we'll have a lot of talks about CHF, COPD, diabetes, all these different things that will literally explain to people why home health or why home care is such a good idea to have. And we'll post that in YouTube. And you have to understand, YouTube is also not just a social media site, but it's also the second largest search engine company out there. And the first company, the number 1, is Google, and they own actually YouTube. So when people are searching for some things, they're either going to be searching it through YouTube or searching it through Google. It doesn't matter. But the main thing is we want to be able to be searched on. So we'll make sure we'll work on the keywords, we'll work on the title, we'll work on the content. And what ends up happening is if somebody's searching something in YouTube, okay, and they search home care, let's say Los Angeles, home care Los Angeles, or home care Glendale, or home care Chicago, or home care Orlando, home care Miami, wherever you are, we're going to make sure that your videos gets found there as soon as possible. You can do this yourself, and there's a lot of educational based videos out there. You can learn how to do this yourself, or you can trust us to handle that for you. It's something that we also do, right? So like we have a package, for example, of videos and educational stuff that we can put on your own personal YouTube channel that is branded for your company. And what ends up happening for that is that we'll post it, and then we hopefully can get you ranked up. And we do a pretty good job in it. I mean, just the fact that if you search home health marketing at this very moment and you go to YouTube, you're going to see 80% of the videos is coming from our company. Or if you search home care, start a home care agency in YouTube, you might see our videos in the 1st, 5th, all the way through down, right? And so that's the main goal right there, is to be able to blanket the market. So if you want a YouTube channel that has educational based items, that details about your company, and you want to be making sure that you're ranking up in your area, let us know, because that's something that we can do. It's a minimal cost that we can handle for you guys, but there's another choice you can do. You don't have to do it, right? You don't have to do a YouTube channel at all. Or at the very same time as you can go to another company and have them do that for you guys. But we charge a pretty small amount of fee that's going to be able to hopefully increase the chances of you getting your branding and your strategies out there. So that's talking about social media. So we want to be able to share with you guys the top places I truly recommend on social media to be able to get clients is Facebook is the first one that I always recommend. If you want good referral sources or have contacts and to be able to reach out to them, then you want to go through LinkedIn. YouTube is more of a educational based referral generating social media company. And then of course, lastly, the IG, the TikTok, and the Snapchat, you can stay away from those for this moment. And I can tell you, maybe in 10 years from now, you want to use IG to get a hold of people, right? It's up to you guys. Anyways, all I can say is one thing: you just have to create actions continuously to be able to create success. So if you like this video, click like. If you want, and actually I'm just strongly recommend, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be able to, so that you can be reminded of any new videos that are being posted. And also, please stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com. It has all the information that you guys need to be able to create a successful agency, to be able to learn how to market and have a marketing strategy for you guys that's going to work and create a profitable agency. So once again, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Before we continue on to the video, just need to be able to take a few seconds of your time. And so we want to be able to ask you a question. Are you looking to gain more referrals for your agency, your home health, your home care, your hospice agency? Are you wanting to be able to find out the best sources of information to be able to get you everything you need to create a successful marketing campaign for your agency? We want you to be able to join us at our online marketing bootcamp that has over 7.5 hours of training. When you actually watch our bootcamp and join our online marketing bootcamp training, you're going to get a free month access to our 10xpatientreferrals.com online academy. You also get a half-hour live consulting with me or my team. Also, in this training, in this bootcamp, you're going to learn everything that you need to be able to find the right sources of referrals. You're going to be able to learn the amazing presentation techniques and tactics, how to be able to close the deal, and especially follow-ups, which is the most important part on trying to be able to acquire people to trust you, to refer patients to you. And there's going to be multiple bonuses available for you when you join now. So sign up for a limited time at 10xpatientreferrals.com and enjoy all the content. So let's go ahead and get back to the video that you're currently watching. And we want to be able to invite you to our 10xpatientreferrals.com, where we have our online home health marketing academy that's going to be able to help either a home health, home care, or hospice agency increase referrals, increase their census, and create a profitable company. Now, at this very moment, you're going to have access to these information through these training, marketing to physicians, how to get to hospitals, how to be able to get into nursing homes, and much, much more at a month-to-month basis with no contracts needed. It's just month to month. Now, guess what? We are offering you guys for a limited time 50% off any one of our plans. Just choose which one is going to be able to work better for you. So just stop by the 10xpatientreferrals.com at any given moment. So these are the plans that are available, whether it's the gold, the silver, or the platinum plan. Most people go for the gold plan, but it's up to you what's going to work for you. We definitely want to be able to have you come in and work with us. So here's two choices. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com or click the link down below. Take advantage of this right now at this very moment and sign up with us.